8th standard cubes and cube roots NCERT textbooks. So first we will discuss about that, the cube numbers of the particular numbers. Okay, so here first 20 numbers we will take now. So 1 to 20. Okay, so 1 cube is equal to, that is 1 cube means 1 into 1 into 1, that's equal to 1. Then 2 cube is equal to 8. 3 cube is equal to 27. 4 cube is equal to 64. Then 5 cube is equal to 125. 6 cube is equal to 216. 7 cube is equal to 343. 8 cube is equal to 512. 9 cube is equal to 729. 10 cube is equal to 1000. 11 cube is equal to 1331. Then 12 cube is equal to 1728. 13 cube is equal to 2197. 14 cube is equal to 2744. 15 cube is equal to 3375. 16 cube is equal to 4096. 17 cube is equal to 4913. 18 cube is equal to 5832. Then 19 cube is equal to 6859. 20 cube is equal to 8000. So how we will predict in squares? By seeing that unit digit, here we cannot predict because in unit place we can see all the 10 digits. So that is 0 to 9. See here 1, and here you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. So this is about the cube and the cube numbers.